Why does your scanner show the P0A94 engine code? What does it mean? P0A94 is a diagnostic trouble code for DC or DC converter performance. This engine code indicates that the PCM is not detecting the expected amount of exhaust gas being recirculated, which can lead to reduced engine performance and increased fuel consumption. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. DC or DC converter issues, inverter problems, hybrid battery issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in hybrid vehicles, particularly those from Toyota, including the Prius and Camry hybrid. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.